Hello, my name is Aditya. I am from Aditi Tuition. So again, I came up with another videos where I'm going to show you another type of questions in the polynomial, which is very important for 10th board exam. So the question which I have taken is like, if one zeros of the polynomial a square plus 9 bracket x square plus 13x plus 6a is a reciprocal of the other, find the value of a. So to solve this kind of questions, I'm going to show you how to proceed it, how to write the steps, and how to simplify, how to do the calculation and all. Each and everything I'm going to show you in details. Okay, so I'll take that polynomial as p of x is equals to a square plus 9 x square plus 13x plus 6a. Okay, so now this equation again I'll compare with that general form, like how I'm doing in the previous questions and all, which I have made a video on that also. So again I'm going to compare this polynomial with the general form. So general form again I'm going to write here, which already you know that. So ax square plus bx plus c. So when I'll compare it, I'll get the a value as a square plus 9, b value as 13, and c value as 6a. So now this thing, after writing this thing, now I'm going to check the question. So they have given one zeros of the polynomial is reciprocal of other. So what I'm going to tell, I'm going to take the 10 as some variable. So let 10 of the polynomial be x. Okay, then sorry, I will not take the x because already x we have the variable. We'll take alpha. Okay, so then other 0 according to question, if 10 is alpha, another 0 will be reciprocal of that. So reciprocal means we can write other 0 is equals to 1 by alpha. Okay, so now we got 10 as alpha, another 0 as 1 by alpha. So now to solve this question, we'll go for the relation again. So relation is like the relation between the zeros and the coefficient. Okay, so we know that if I'll take the product of zeros, alpha and alpha will get cancelled, and then we'll get some kind of relation with the coefficient. Okay, so we're going to take that only to solve this question, because that method only we can use it here. So product of zeros is equals to like c by a. Okay, so product of zeros means we have 10 is alpha, another 0 is 1 by alpha, and the c value which we have is 6a, and a value is a square plus 9. Okay, so now this alpha and 1 by alpha is in the multiplication, so I can cancel it. Left is 1, so 1 is equals to 6a by a square plus 9. So after getting this, now I'm going to do the cross multiplication here. So which will be like, cross multiplication always we have to do like this, from denominator it will go to the numerator, because both side we got a fraction. So we don't want the fraction, we want a like whole number kind of that, so we'll send it other side kind of that. So this one we got a square plus 9, and this side we got 6a. Okay, so now I'm going to bring the 6a this side. So a square minus 6a plus 9 is equals to 0. Okay, so we got here a quadratic equation also you can say, or polynomial equation also you can say. So this here we got 3 terms, so we'll go for factorization. So factorization in that this question or this equation I can solve by two different methods. One by using identity, one by splitting the middle term. So both one I'm going to show you. It's your choice which one you want to take. So I'm going to show you the first one as using identity. So what I can write, this one I can write a square, this 9 I can write 3 square. Okay, so now this is minus, I'm going to write minus 2 I'll take. Okay, 2 into first a is a and b is 3. If I'll multiply this 2 into a into 3, I'll get minus 6a. So I have splitted, not splitted, like I have written the factor of these three terms, which is a square minus 2 into a into 3 plus 3 square, which is equals to 0. Once again, so this one I'm going to erase it. Okay, so I need a space for that, so it is equals to 0. So now this one is in a formula called a minus b whole square. So I can write here a square minus 2ab plus b square is equals to a minus b whole square. So this formula I'm going to use here. So my a value is a only and my b value is 3. So a minus 3 whole square is equals to 0. Since it is twice, so I can write a minus 3 equals to 0. So now I'm going to give 0 for each one separately. So a minus 3 is equals to 0, another a minus 3 is equals to 0. In both the cases, answer is going to be the same. So a is equals to 3, here also a is equals to 3. So this is my first method, that is called using identity. Second, I'm going to show you using my splitting the middle term, using splitting the middle term. So how to solve that same equation using splitting the middle term, I'm going to show you. So the equation which I have is a square minus 6a square minus 6a plus 9 is equals to 0. Okay, so I have made one videos on this splitting the middle term also, which is there on the YouTube channel, my YouTube channel. You can subscribe my channel also and you can go through that. Okay, so there I have showed you how to split the middle term. So it's like already it's there, so you can go through that. Okay, so I can write it down a square. First I'll multiply this, so a square first and last term, a square into 9a square, and this one I'm going to split it. Since this is positive, so on addition only I have to get minus 3a, 6a. So minus 3a minus 3a. On multiplication I'll get back this one, multiplication I'll get this, on addition I'll get minus 6a. So this one I'm going to take it. So minus 3a plus 9 is equals to 0. Now I'm going to take first two term from that common, then second two term from that common. So from first two term I can take a common, so a minus 3. For second two terms I'll take 3 common, so a minus 3 is equals to 0. So now as we can see, we got two term here. In those two terms the bracket part is same, so that bracket part I'll take common. The left here is a and that left here is minus 3, so is equals to 0. We got the same like the previous one, which you can see here, a minus 3 equals to 0, a minus 3 equals to 0, like that only. So we'll write same way here also, a minus 3 is equals to 0, and here a minus 3 is equals to 0. So now if I'll write it, a is equals to 3, here also a is equals to 3. So like two method you can use to solve the same equation. Okay, so it's your choice which one you want to choose it. Okay, so if you want to learn like this kind of different method and different kind of question, and which is very important for the board exam, you please subscribe my channel, like my videos and put a bell icon. Okay, for more update please subscribe it. Thank you.